No.
Pride Bank okutongoza enkolensia eyibesere Club SACCO and Investment ekikoliro muri Mbarara kandi kyejumbirwemu abebembezi ku rugo omu rurembo rwa Mbarara hamwe n'abakuru baza SACCO zitari zimwe na zimwe. Elizabeth Namaganda ori kukora nka Head of Marketing and Communication on Pride Bank ashoborire ekigenderwa ekyo kutandikaho encourage.
Nti bw'ojja ng'owuliriza ebifudde mu kitundu kino ekya Western Uganda bebamu ku bantu abasinze okujjumbira mu bintu bya SACCO. So tusazeewo nti olw'okubanga basinga okuba ne SACCOs katuleete product eno wano tusobole ojjanjulira abantu aba SACCOs wano basobole ogitegeera basobole okutuulira we tulina okutereeza naye era n'okugijjumbira okuba nti bakola ki bagikozesa.
Namaganda nayongera jirangu nkaba Pride Bank ekibagimeserize kwiguraho SACCO egi nikijaho bwanyuma y'okukuzibwa bakaza hiddara ly'okwikirizibwa ngu kandi betekatekire kwisi abantu obuheereza obu barikwenda.
Kubanga bw'obujjukira bulungi omwaka guno May nga mwenda twalonkinga Pride Bank ng'egenda mu Tier 2 transition n'olw'ekyo twali tugraduate mu Tier 2 kyatuwa omukisa oba kyatuwa akaaganya kuba tusobola okwongeramu mu mpeereza yaffe era ekyo twayongeramu mu mpeereza mwe mwali SACCO product.
Tulyamureba Paul, Chairman Board owa Chamuka People's SACCO erukushangwa Bushenyi na Asimwe Moses Manager wa Rubindi Farmers SACCO nibasima Pride ahabo kureta encourage eyibaru kugira ngu eyijiro mu bwire burungi.
The demand for financial services is still high within the region. So even those commercial banks that have been with this product cannot satisfy the demand. So that's why we welcome the coming in of Pride Bank because the demand for financial services is still very high across the region. So it will also, even when other commercial banks come on board, the demand will still remain. So we welcome Pride Bank because it will also reduce the burden that we have regarding the financial services.
And with this product of Pride Bank, I believe since it is to be obtained at a cheaper interest rate, members will be able to benefit, and of course investment in their ventures and earn more income where they can grow from one step to another.
The main purpose of you being here is ensuring that you're brought in money to the economy also. That's why we are trying to bring in these products such that our people down there can receive this money through the SACCOs that we have here, that you have given this product that you have brought. My analysis is the product is a very good one, and I believe that the different SACCO leaders are going to put it to good use.
Gasha kwa Fatima na good.